What is the key difference between saving and investing? Often these two actions are misunderstood as the same thing when, yes, I will agree, they both are going towards your future and representing a day in the future that you have not experienced. But what each activity is going to be a vast difference in importance in your financial plan. So let's look at it. What is the difference between saving and investing? What we want you to begin to see is that saving is a saving for something. When you look at savings, I want you to think that you are protecting your money from risk. You are setting them aside and not putting these dollars out into the market and out into the risk of the investment world. I'm saving up for a car, a house, a ring, a vacation. You have a specific purpose and time for what these dollars are going towards. If you're saying, I just want these dollars to create more, that is investing. That is not saving. So when you save, think, what am I saving for specifically? Perhaps it's just I need a cushion and an account of dollars that are protecting me for whatever unknowns comes around the corner. You transition to that investment side, well, this is where you start to look at it and say, what are you investing in? You're not necessarily protecting for a specific thing, but you're investing in assets to create a future income for an unknown reason today. The key difference between saving and investing is risk. You have to accept, you have to even encourage risk in investing because you need risk to have return. One of the fundamental principles of investing, return equals risk. You cannot get a higher return without producing risk. So as I look to begin investing, I want to start to see I'm investing in something. That thing is going to produce risk and then provide a potential return. When I want to protect dollars from risk, I'm going to save in a different type of savings account. Check our video on those. And if I'm investing in assets for an unknown thing. What are you saving for? What are you investing in? Do you want to protect or produce risk? This is the key question you must ask when you look at your dollars and say, I want them to start going to work for me. Yes, the savings account is going to pay you, but it is only going to keep up with inflation. You have to start elevating to an investor mindset, to a long-term thinker, and start asking yourself, how much risk do I want to take on? That's your risk tolerance. And then start letting those dollars out into the investment world, understanding everyone that goes into that world is at risk. Difference between saving and investing, a key fundamental of your speaking this language of money. Jedediah Collins, fullback of finance, and we will see you at the next stop.